Welcome back to Let's Fabricate. My name is Cody and today we're going to do a 5-month review of the certiflat weld table that I have had here in my shop and in almost every video I have made. So it showed up in 2 different boxes on the UPS truck, no lift gate fee, none of that crap that you don't need. The tabletop showed up relatively pre-assembled. I just tacked it together and then made sure the legs were square, tacked them together, flipped it over, and solid welded everything. It's been an awesome table, an awesome asset to the shop, and when it comes to fixturing and jigging things, totally sweet, totally worth it. So we're gonna show you how I put it together on a quick time lapse, and then my regular maintenance on it. It has a lot of weld spatter right now because it's been used and abused for 5 months. So I'm gonna clean it up, show you how I clean it up, and we're gonna go from there. Alright, so that was pretty easy. Totally an awesome, easy assembly. The way they package everything makes it super easy. So it's together, you have it in your shop, you use it, you put some nice MIG slag on there. What do? You get yourself a benchmark abrasives, 120 grit, and you take all the major slag off, and then we go from there. Alright, so now that we're done with that, we've got the table all nice and flat again, no big burrs sticking up. We're going to get the Walter Surface Tech line finisher, the line mate, and we're going to polish it up, make it nice and shiny. And now if you look at what we are left with, such a shiny, perfectly flat tabletop to weld all the things on. So if you've never seen what a Walter Surface Technologies line mate is, go check them out. They're a pretty sweet machine, especially for cleaning up a tabletop like this where you want to keep it pretty flat and not gouge into it at all. There's a million different wheels for it, and buffer pads and everything. So it works pretty slick on this little tabletop. But now I can get back to welding, and I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on it so it doesn't rust while I am not using it. Other than that, this tabletop is freaking awesome. When it comes to fixturing, jigging anything up, might as well go with the certiflat weld table. So kind of gonna be a short one today, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you haven't already, go get yourself one of these tabletops, get a Walter Surface Technologies line mate. That's a thunderstorm, which means it's bedtime and I've got to get ready to leave town and go fishing. So might have a video on that later, might not, we'll see. As for this one, when it comes to cleaning off your certiflat weld table, don't force it, just get a bigger grinder or hammer or buffer or whatever it is. Just get it.